In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share files on Google Drive without allowing downloads. This is a great way to maintain control over your content while still sharing it with others. Let's get started. First, we'll begin by opening Google Drive. To do this, you'll want to head over to Google Drive's website and log in using your Gmail account. If you're already signed into your Google account, this process is even easier as you will be automatically directed to your Drive dashboard where you can see all your files neatly organized. Now, once you are in Google Drive, you need to locate the specific file you want to share. This could be any one of several types of Google files such as Docs, Sheets, Slides, or other supported formats. Once you have found your file, right-click on it. When you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu appear with several options. What we want to do next is select the option labeled Share. This will bring up a sharing window where you can control how your file is shared with others. In this new window, you're looking for a gear icon at the top right. This is your settings menu. Clicking this gear will open several options that control what people can do with the file when they access it. Here is the critical part. We are going to uncheck a specific setting that allows viewers and commenters to download, print, and copy the file. So go ahead and find the box that says viewers and commenters can see the option to download, print, and copy, and uncheck it. By doing this, you're adding an essential layer of protection to your document, ensuring that others can only view or comment as you've chosen without the ability to download, print, or copy your content. Next, let's make sure the access permissions are set exactly how you want them. Ideally, you'll want to give people only viewer or commenter access. This setting is crucial because if by chance you give someone editor access, they would still be able to download and alter your file. Double check the setting carefully before proceeding. Finally, all that's left to do is save these changes. Once you're sure everything is set up correctly, go ahead and click Done. This will enforce the permission settings you've just configured and close the sharing options window. And there you have it. You've successfully shared your Google Drive file in a way that others can view, yet not download, print, or copy it. This approach offers extra security to your files, ensuring you maintain control while still collaborating effectively. If you have more files to share, simply rinse and repeat the process. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope this tutorial